Ever find yourself needing to adjust your logged hours in Jira? Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure you are logged into your Jira account, which you should be seeing upon navigating the Jira interface now. Click your profile icon, usually in the top navigation bar, the place where your name or initials appear. This will open a drop-down menu from the drop-down. It's easy to find the log work option, and click on this. This action will open the log work window. Here's where the magic happens. Inside the log work window, you'll find the time entries you've already created. If you want to change an existing time entry, locate the specific log you want to edit. Look for the list of your time entries. To edit an entry, find the log hours entry, and in the far right corner of the row, you often see an edit icon, which is usually represented by a pencil. Click the edit icon next to the time entry you want to change. The edit log work window should open, displaying the time entry's details. You can now modify any field, such as the time spent, the date, or the comment. Make your adjustments. For instance, if you logged the wrong amount of time or worked on the wrong date, this is where you fix it. Feel free to change the hours, the date, or any other details as needed. Once you've made your changes, look for the Save or Update button. Click it to apply your edits. The screen will often refresh back to the log work window. You see your changes apply. But what if you need to delete a time entry entirely? Locate the entry in the log work window. Right next to the edit or pencil icon, you'll find an icon representing the delete function. It's often a trash can icon. When you decide to erase the entry, you will usually be presented with a confirmation box from Jira. To confirm your decision, review it carefully to ensure you're deleting the correct entry. By keeping your time logs up to date in Jira, you contribute to better project analysis, reporting, and overall project visibility. Always prioritize accuracy and consistency. You're all set. Now go forth and conquer those time entries.